Betaprocess is a relative new technology that we integrated in a total system, the black box. And then there is proven technology for washing, crushing of wet biomass. And then for us, especially sugar beets, via a vacuum explosion, the cell walls are disrupted. And that means that fermentable sugars are directly available for further processing for the production of ethanol, so for the fermentation and then for ethanol distillation. Sugar beet is a multifunctional crop. You can use it for white sugar, but then you have the obesitas discussion, so you have to find new markets for that. And for a farmer in the crop rotation cycle, it is a very important crop to reduce diseases, but also to help the soil fertility. For the chemical industry, the carbohydrates from the sugar beet is a very important new crop to replace the fossil carbon. We have developed it together with Wageningen University. We scaled it up 2020-21. And now we are trying to invest in a demo plant to check the technical aspects for the design of a first-of-a-kind factory. We plan to do that in Zeeland, southwest of the Netherlands. At the moment we are looking for two partners maybe, one especially operational partner, and the other thing is that we are looking for the financial input and then bring it to the market, commercial factories, and via licensing try to set up in the sugar beet areas in the European Union